So magkano nga ba yung kinita natin in 12 days playing Rohan 2, just AFK grinding our characters in this game? Hey guys, this is BM and today papakita ko lang sa inyo kung nakamagkano tayo sa loob ng 12 days of farming dito sa Rohan 2 Global. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo kumita dito sa Rohan 2 Global at kung magkano yung kinita natin dito sa game na to. So, huwag na natin itong patagalin at simulan na natin yung video. So, first thing is, paano nga ba kumikita sa Rohan 2 Global? Now, there are 3 ways on how you can earn sa Rohan 2. Okay, number 1 is by selling crons. Number 2 is by selling accessories na level 110 na violet or yung rarity niya is ancient. And also by selling the legendary scroll fragments. So, pag sinabing legendary scroll fragments, guys, ganito yung itsura niya. Okay? So, either legendary weapon or either legendary armor fragments na bibenta yan, guys. So, 1,000 pieces of these, alright, you can actually sell this for about 50 pesos. Okay? So 1,000 pieces. Last time kasi, guys, merong nag-buying around 60 pesos or 70 pesos. So, pag mga ganun yung buying, guys, ibigay nyo na kaagad kasi somehow medyo worth it naman yan. So last time nakabenta tayo nito, if nandito siya sa records, no, nakabenta tayo nito, guys, wait lang, wala dito kasi nasa ibang server tayo, pero usually nasa Triumph 5 yun. Nakabenta tayo ng 50,000 pieces nun. Okay, we farmed it across all of our accounts, no? So na-farm natin siya and nabenta natin siya ng 50 pesos each. So nung nabenta ko siya ng 50 Gcash each, ang nakuha natin doon is around 2,500, which is the first transaction that you can see here on the screen. 2,500 din, guys. Okay? Then, the next one is by selling our crons. So dito, guys, nakapag-sell na tayo ng crons multiple times, no? So sa mga nagsasabi na hindi nabibenta ang crons, well, nabibenta po siya. So dito sa server na to, nakabenta tayo ng 232 million crons, which is equivalent to 1,800 rupees. Okay? So, after tax na to. So, ito na yung exact na nakuha natin. Alright? But anyway, yung karamihan sa mga transaction kasi natin is nasa Triumph 5. So, ilipat muna natin yung character natin. So, dito papakita ko rin sa inyo yung actual process kapag nagta-transfer kayo ng character sa ibang server during the Shadow Leap event or during the Dark Leap. Okay? Kasi currently, nasa Shadow Leap event tayo. So, nakakatanong tayo from one server to another. Depende sa kung sino yung kamatch natin. Okay? So, since clear naman to, all we just need to do is to turn off our auto hunting helper mode. And then, you click on the Shadow Leap, then invade other server, then confirm. So, ganun lang kadali. Alright? And then, you just have to enter Shadow Leap para mapunta kayo sa original server nyo. So, Triumph 5 is my original server. That's the reason why nandito tayo ngayon. Anyway, click enter game. So, dito makikita nyo yung mga transactions na sinasabi ko, okay? Kasi baka sabihin nyo na, wala namang proof na nagbenta yan, di ba? So dito papakita ko sa inyo kung kanino natin nabenta and also kung ilan na yung Ruby X na na-accumulate natin from this character alone. Mind you guys that I have multiple characters. Meron tayong 3 characters na nakapag-farm. 100M na yung napafarm nito per day. Okay? Pag may boss, around 115 to 120M per day. Okay? And then, for the other characters, a decent amount, probably around 60M additional. So, nasa 160 to 180M yung napafarm natin, no, across all our accounts dito sa Rohan 2 Global. But anyway, nandito na tayo sa original server. So, dito makikita nyo sa one-on-one trade that these are the legendary fragments that we sold. So, yan, 10K, 1K, tapos meron pa dito sa baba, 41K, 1,800. Ito yung mga nasold natin. So, ito yung galing sa iba't ibang accounts natin, no. So, ito nabenta natin, 41. Then, ito 10K. And then, ito another 1K. So, yan yung nabenta natin sa buyer. Okay, si Khaleesi yung buyer natin. So far, guys, meron pa tayong around 10K dito na hindi ko pa binibenta. Alright? So, aside from selling crons and also selling fragments, no, the other thing that you can sell here will be the ancient accessories. Okay? Pag sinabi kong ancient, yung color violet nito, okay? Nabibenta siya, depende sa buyer, usually mga 50 pesos to 35 pesos each. So, last time, kung napanood yung video ni Nelweb3, o shoutout kay Nel, no? Nakapagbenta naman siya ng accessories naman. And I think 2,000 din yung kinita niya doon. So, madali lang din yun makuha. And gagawa natin ng video yung actual way on how you can get it dito sa Rohan 2 ng mas mabilis. Okay? But anyway, the importance of it is because it's being used dito sa emblem enhancement. It's the reason why binibili siya. Alright? But anyway, yun yung 3 ways on how you can earn money. Now, ito, i-reveal na natin kung magkano yung kinita natin in just 12 days. Okay? So, dito, makikita nyo sa resibo na yung unang earnings natin is around 2,550. And then, the second one is around 2,800. So, yung unang receipt is for the Legendary Scroll of Fragments. The second receipt, which is 2,800, ito yung sa Ruby X. So, binenta natin siya kay Boss Bunny. Okay, so shoutout kay Bunny Gamble. Yan, araw-araw itong bumibili ng Ruby X, guys. So, message nyo lang siya para at least mabili niya yung inyong Ruby X. Okay? So, 2.8. Tapos, pangalawang transaction namin ni Boss Bunny, 2K. Okay? And then, pangatlo, which is kahapon lang, is around 3,000 pesos. So, all in all, guys, if you are going to take a look and compute everything, that's around 10,300 in the span of almost 10 days nga lang. Pero, 12 days to be exact kasi yung mga resources na ginamit natin is worth of 12 days ng farming. Okay? So, ganun lang naman siya kasimple. Now, with the current status ng Rohan 2, so far may mga buyers pa rin naman ng crons. Nagkakaubusan ng crons during the Shadow Leap kasi nga merong event, which is yung upgrade event. Naka 40% or 30% off yata. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa history, guys, ito na yung mga nabenta natin. So, medyo malaki-laki na rin to. Alright? So, yan yung mga napagbentahan natin. So, 3 days ago nabenta to. But this one, okay, hindi pa natin nabebenta. 200M to. So, later on, magli-listing tayo. But anyway, I hope you get the idea, guys, okay, that this one is basically a geared account. So, ginawa natin, bumili tayo ng mga geared accounts. And so far, tayo naman yung nag-aani dun sa mga accounts na binili natin. So, yun na naman, guys. Gusto ko lang kayong i-inform and also bigyan ng update regarding sa earnings dito. Kasi marami nag-aanap sa inyo ng play to earn na legit na may income. But anyway, guys, none of these are financial advices, so please make sure to do your own diligence about making research on the project before even getting in. Okay, though MMO siya, at least mas maganda na alam niyo kung ano yung pinapasok mo. Yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is BM again, and peace out.